What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Lil Roy TV, and we back with another video. I'm just trying to make sure my braids don't look all crazy. But either way you put it, some of them sticking out. But yeah, you see the title, so you know what I'm going over, you know what I'm reviewing. Yeah, I really don't know much to say about these sneakers. I don't really care about them at all. But I'm just being real like I always am. For people that's new here, I keep things blunt and real over here, but I don't know why I'm in a weird mood today. I don't know. Either way, maybe because I didn't eat for 2 days. I've been like on a juice cleanse diet right here. But besides that, I'm definitely gonna have some food today, so don't worry about that. I know you don't care. But regardless, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 1,000 subs, and we're doing a free giveaway once we hit 1K subs. So join the squad and hit the subscribe button, as well as like this video, comment. I respond to all my comments, so you could do all that. And let's get right into it. And I always say, ladies, hit my Instagram. I'm single, I'm available again, so hit your boy. Now let's get right into it. So off rip, I literally still have it in the, I don't know if I took the shipping label off. Yeah, I did, but I legit have it in the box. But here it is, the fancy Nike Dunk Undefeated collab right there. Nike logo, Undefeated logo. The back is nothing, just blue. It's kind of cool that they made this color in blue. Like, it looks nice. It says Dunk versus Air Force 1, I believe. With the Undefeated logo right there in black, and then the Nike logo in orange. And yeah, pretty nice detail. This is size 8.5 men's, correlates to a 10 women's. So boom. This is obviously not for me, even though this is my size in dunks. Got the nice fancy Dunk vs Air Force 1 paper. Nice and smooth. Now, this is what we came to look at. One thing I could say about these is, that's how you know I didn't even care. I didn't even know it came with extra shoelaces at all. Like, I didn't even look that hard in them. But, yeah, it comes with extra laces, I guess, that yellow to match the yellow stitching. But, I didn't even know it came with that. What I could say about these are nice, cool dunks. But, like, one, I don't want it for me, so I don't care about them. And then two, this color is like, it's kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Ah, it smells good though. Oh, look, the details, Dunk vs Air Force 1 in there. Because if you didn't know, they dropped like a collab of Dunks and Air Force 1s. Obviously, the Dunk is what everyone went for, and obviously I hit. It was like an online thing. So obviously I got the shoe. It's right here in my hands. The logo on the top, obviously the Undefeated logo on the tongue, you can see it right there. There's really nothing different. It's just outside, same thing as the inside, whatever. The back logo got Nike. It would have been cool if one of them had the Undefeated logo, but I guess because it's a Dunk, it's cool. It already has too much on the tongue anyways. But I'm surprised they put the shoelaces on the outside. Usually it's like in the inside, but I wouldn't change it. Maybe if you want to, you could, but that's yellow. And you could leave the brownish, whatever color that's labeled. But that's how it looks from this angle. Bottom, same color. I don't even know if a lot of people know about these, except for it literally just dropped on Undefeated. I believe that's all I know. I don't even know if it dropped anywhere else. But yeah. Definitely smells good, of course. But this is an 8.5, so like I said, let me know if you guys like these in the comments. Are they cool? Did you even know they dropped? Are you mad that you didn't know? Do you like them? Are they fire? Are they lit? Let me know in the comments if you fuck with it. If you don't, then that's cool, because I don't fuck with it either. But I can still appreciate it's a nice shoe. Like, the design, everything is good. If it was like a different color, then maybe for myself. But like, what the hell am I supposed to do with this brown, yellow, lemon type of color? And plus, I'm a reseller before I'm a personal person, so I'd rather sell these because I don't want them, obviously. I didn't intend to buy to sell. I mean, I didn't intend to buy to keep. I intended to buy to sell. But, You could tell the details. Like, it definitely got so much different material on here. Like, the toe feels like a grandma's couch. This material. Oh, this is mad hard, no homo. And then it gets soft again with the Nike check. It's definitely an interesting shoe, but if you like these, I'm not mad at you. This is one of the shoes that I won't be mad. Like, it's not that bad of a shoe. Like, the color is cool, I guess. If you didn't care, you just throw on these and just keep it moving. But, yeah. Got good laces, though, at least on this. You could feel the Undefeated. I'm trying to check it out myself, because soon enough I'm going to be selling these, so. But definitely an interesting shoe. Let me know what you guys think about these. Let me get the thumbnail, because I still didn't even do it. Let's back up a little bit. Should have worked, right? Boom. But yeah, that's it for this video. So let me know your final thoughts. Did you grab them? Did you know they dropped? Are they fire? Are they trash? Let me know in the comments. Based off the views, I'll know if y'all wanted to watch this video or whatever the case is. And if you're new here, like I said, hit the subscribe button. We're doing a free giveaway once we hit 1K subs, so hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and, you know, leave a comment, like the video, hit me up on Instagram if you have any questions. I respond to everything. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vid. Your boy Little Roy is out of here. I'll see you on the flip side.